This is a heat and temperature change problem. So we're going to use heat is equal to our mass times our specific heat capacity times delta T. And we see that we have been asked to determine the specific heat capacity. And we're given our mass, delta T, and Q. Whenever we have 3 of these 4 values, we can solve for the 4th. So we're going to solve this equation for our specific heat capacity. And we have C is going to be equal to Q divided by our mass and our delta T. Okay, now our delta T can be determined by looking at our temperature change. So we have our temperature. We can determine our temperature change. We're adding heat to a substance. So it's going to raise its temperature by some value from Ti to Tf. We can calculate delta T as Tf minus Ti, which is going to be 176 minus 23 degrees C, and that will be 153 degrees C. So now we're set to plug and chug. Our heat is 88.2 calories. Our mass is 13.4 grams, and our delta T is 153 degrees C. We do this indicated math, and we end up with a value of 0.04302. The units are calories per gram degrees C. Let's go back and look at our sig figs. This number has 3 sig figs. Let's look at the delta T, and we see each of these temperatures is good to the 1 place. So this is good to the 1's place. We have 3 sig figs from our delta T. So we have 3 sig figs in our final answer. Rounding down, 0.0430 units are calories per gram degree C.